to making with Bunny. Today we're making a butter pie.
Cake.
A
No, a butter cake.
butter cake. This recipe is very popular on Mommy's blog.
Cake.
Now let's make some butter cake! I'm wiping butter on the pan. Okay, done.
No, you don't eat that.
I'm putting sugar on the bottom of the pan. Then you mix the, what is it?
It's sugar and butter.
How
How about you pick up the pan and you shake it a little bit? No, with the pan. And just shake it back and forth. Sugar.
mix 2 sticks of butter and 1 cup of sugar, 1.5 cups
Of what?
of flour. Now add 3 eggs. Now add 2 teaspoons of milk. I already did it. 1/4 cup of milk. Mommy loves condensed milk, so we are doing condensed milk too. Put it in the pan and cook it for an hour, okay?
So much.
It's yummy!